Kedu challenges in enwegasi in this your journey? Kedu challenges, kedu obstacles in enwegasi trying to do this?
I am somebody now. My security. I am an endangered species. There are places that I will go to now. I will not come back. There are places that I will set foot in. They will definitely kill me. So, on the Muslim, when a boy declare fatwa on someone's head, I have that kind of baggage hovering around my head. Those are challenges that I'm not free like any other person. I am the kind of person that I will go that kind of person of interest where people know my name in live video. That is why I don't normally do much of live videos, because it will give up my location. I don't live a normal life like any other. They say I'm a content creator. Most of my contemporaries, most of the people that I've brought into this movement in order to bring me down, Hana koro nde chinaka ha na I'm a content creator, that I'm not a unifier, in order to score points. But I asked them, but I'm not living a normal life. I have a file in DSS that is opened. I have a standing petition in the office of the IG. So whatever I do, I'm careful. So those are challenges, because everybody na query, na say photo, na say video. Oh, we are live here. I can't do that, because I fear for my security. I fear that somebody disgruntled about our movement and I go barely can come after me. So I'm hanging. Mana chukwu yala ihe chukwu na ihe mu na yeso aga na edum, because these powers are not guiding me, I won't be here today. Then another challenge is funding, because each week, 4 days a week, I'm on the road. Sometimes 5 days a week, I'm on the road. Agumano here. At least, more like the other time.
Yes.
More like I'll make well in how many days.
Yes.
But I'm here today. I came since I'm in Anambra for about 3 days now. Now, I'm not moving. So funding, because I have to fuel my car. I go like a liter of petrol. So funding. So, but I talk about my accommodation. Back in the days, I went to a hotel of 10,000, 20,000. But we now hotel is 35,000. And I won't have money about 2 days. I'll have to be in a hotel that is 70,000 there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so those are challenges.
Dalu.
Thank you.
Dalu. And when other unifiers now this very journey?
Sure. Anyway.
Okay. How is it going? What is the cohesion like?
Well, anyway, challenges.
Okay.
The world can testify that when I say I'm the convener of the Unified Igbos now, yeah, it is on record. So when other unifiers, because what my platform was all about, as I was alone, I was a voice in the wilderness. So I took a Igbo. If we catch Nnaa Mehn for any threats, open threat too. Then for those WhatsApp forums, I share my pictures. My pictures in some communities now. I wouldn't age day. I want you go them. I gave you all the reason. So mbane me henda mbodi at the peak. You know, and I say, how dare you come and tell us our history? How dare you come and tell us that we are Igbo? I am Igbo. Why would you come here and tell us? So, onye ma ihe ga relax back. So that was what bettered the movement proper. Well, that was what bettered other proponents. Proponents. Anybody that is preaching towards or for the unity of Igbo is a proponent. So that was where I now say we will ordain more proponents, especially from this identity crisis or identity conflict affected areas. Takam Shibawa. Na-enwetezi proponents, convincing them that this is the right way. Ufọdụ ha have the dream. Ufọdụ ha were doing it, but without no voice. Ufọdụ ha believe that they are ndị Igbo, but they don't have voice that could echo. So Nnaa Mehn TV was there to give them that echo, to give them that, to amplify their voices. It is beholden for us to have good rapport, you know, anag, but you don't anachi madachi, you know, and I never tried to.
Yes.
Because I've always been skeptic about politicizing the movement. I want it to be more of cultural awareness.
Yes.
So, but other people who have intent for power, and when they love power, they want to be in control. They want to be, because maybe they want to be the people that controls the narrative. Who has oga. So I bido by blackmail. I don't want to carry everybody along.
The unifiers?
Yes.
Wow.
So bido mwewezie splinter groups. Bido you know, bido politics. Bido internal politics. Which I don't even, I need him. So, but being that I have the interest of behind him, I have a vision. I want a blueprint. Do this and do that. That will bring this. This will bring that. And I connect. So the first, this thing will amplify these people's voices. Let them preach. It's about preaching. It's about sensitization. Not for political
gain.
Not for political gain, not for political relevance, but let everybody preach. But how most of the people that I have amplified, when a political undertone, they want to be seen, they want to be politically relevant. And they started politicizing the movement on their own. When was the president, chairman, control, they balkanized it, in fact. While I am, you know, they wanted to shut down the Unify Igbos Now movement in Kebutria. You know, they wanted Masimba that I coordinate here. I coordinate this movement. Coordination, not as chairman, not as CEO, not as president. Coordinator. I coordinated you to preach. Keep preaching. So how? Because you cannot. Man is a political animal. So the intent, so which no bad blood, provided that you are preaching towards the unity of Igbo and you are not using the platform or to do anything that is so personal that will undermine the project to unify Igbo. But to be under that political thing, I rejected it, and that is why I stayed on my own. Name with the results.
For your best live streaming experience, where you as a creator can earn and the followers earn too, download the Heyom app.
For end-to-end secure messaging with awesome video and audio call services, download the Heyom app.
The best social media platform on board now is
Heyom.
Heyom.
Download the Heyom app on Play Store for all Android devices.